Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will show you how to use the remote control of the inverter type Samsung air conditioner. This is the on-off button of the air conditioner. With itself we can turn the air conditioner on and off. The mode button is used to change the modes of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 5 modes: cooling, drying, fan, heating, and auto. Most air conditioner users use the cooling mode of the air conditioner. For this reason, we start by explaining this mode. We press the mode button, and when the word cool appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. This button is used to increase the temperature of the air conditioner, and this button is used to decrease it. In cooling mode, it is recommended to set the air conditioner temperature to 22-24 degrees Celsius. If you want your air conditioner to consume less energy, then keep the temperature between 24-25 degrees Celsius. This is the fan button of the air conditioner, and with itself we can change the fan speed of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 5 speeds: low, medium, high, very high, and this one auto fan speed mode. A low speed can be selected so that the fan sound does not disturb you in the bedroom. You can use the swing button to move the blinds of the air conditioner up and down, or stop it in any position. We press the mode button and the word dry appears on the screen. This is a drying mode and is used to reduce the humidity in the house. We press the mode button and the word fan appears on the screen. This is the fan mode, and in this mode the air conditioner will work like a regular fan. We press the mode button and the word heat appears on the screen. This is heating mode. In heating mode, we set the air conditioner temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. In this mode, it is useful to set the air conditioner fan speed to auto fan speed mode. So in this case, the air conditioner fan speed will be regulated by the microprocessor, and therefore the air conditioner will work more efficiently. At the same time, the evaporator will be covered with snow only when the temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. We press the mode button again and the word auto appears on the screen. This is the auto mode, and in this mode, the air conditioner tries to maintain the temperature at the set level. For example, let's say we set the temperature to 24 degrees Celsius in this mode. In this case, when the temperature in the house is less than this indicator, the air conditioner will work in heating mode, and when it is more than this indicator, the air conditioner will work in cooling mode. Press the mode button again to return to the cooling mode. So far, we have described the most commonly used modes of the air conditioner. Now we will explain the other modes of the air conditioner. This is single user mode. The single user mode is an energy saving feature when there is only one person in the room. When this button is pressed, it is not possible to set the temperature below 24 degrees Celsius in cooling mode. To exit this mode, press the same button. The two-step mode button is a function that first uses the fast mode to quickly lower the room temperature, then automatically switch it to the comfort, and then quiet modes without directing the airflow directly onto the person. After selecting the mode, press the set button to confirm. To exit this mode, you need to follow the same procedure. Comfort mode usually aims to create a comfortable environment. Quiet mode is a mode in which the fan noise of the air conditioner is minimized and the cooling is reduced to the lowest level. The light cool mode is a function that cools the room and humidifies the air at the same time to reach a comfortable humidity level, even if the temperature settings are already met. This air conditioner also has additional functions such as usage, clean, beep, filter reset, and display with the setting button. The clean mode is a function that automatically dries and cleans the indoor unit. The beep mode is a enable or disable the beep sound that sounds when turning the air conditioner on and off. The display button is used to turn the light on the air conditioner on and off. Cleaning the filters on time allows the air conditioner to work properly. For this reason, we are reminded to clean the filter in this air conditioner. After cleaning and replacing the filters, you need to set the filter reset function to off mode. Now I will explain the timer mode. The air conditioner has two timer modes, timer on and timer off. Timer on is used to turn on the air conditioner at a desired time. For example, we turn off the air conditioner when we go to work. We plan to return home after 11 hours. We press the timer button and use these buttons to set the timer on mode to 10 hours and press the set button to confirm. Our air conditioner will turn off after 10 hours and will cool our house until we return home. To exit this mode, you need to press the on-off button. Or if we want our air conditioner to turn off after 5 hours while it is running, we press the timer button twice to switch to timer off mode and set it to 5 hours and press the set button. To exit this mode, you need to press the on-off button. Thank you for following us until the end.